This is WG3526. This is the main device. There is a background IP address on the label, background default password, power supply specifications, Wi-Fi name, default is no password, and the specific model of the equipment. 2 4G antennas, 2 2.4G antennas, 2 5.8G antennas, a SIM ejector pin, and several SIM adapters. There is also a manual, parvacostoline, some screw, 1 power adapter. Install the antenna first. 4G antenna, 5.8G antenna. The corresponding installation position of the antenna. Installing the phone card. Chip up. Insert card slot. Finally, connect the power supply. 2.4G Wi-Fi Lite, 5.8G Wi-Fi Lite. System indicator. 4 LAN lights. And a 1 light. Set with Wi-Fi. Locate device 2.4 or 5.8. Wi-Fi connection. Enter browser. Enter 192.168.1.1 to enter. Enter the default password, admin. Specific information of the network operator is on home page. Signal strength, SIM number, IP address used. Also 2.4G 5.8G, wireless Wi-Fi name. Whether to encrypt, channel used. Enter network settings. APN input. APN server provided by the operator. Save it. Specific interface information is available. The SIM number can be found in interface status, modules used, signal strength, and the time used. Enter wireless settings. There is a specific Wi-Fi name. Default not encrypted. Click encryption method. Select one and enter an 8-digit password. Preserve. 5.8G has a Wi-Fi name, default not encrypted. Choose one of the encryption methods. Enter an 8-digit password and save it.